mga gamit. No, so after this video, I'm gonna show you time-lapse ang pag-pack. So, sa pag-pack, the updates and everything. Show na ko siya guys. Nalimot ko video. So, marato. Makita na kasi net. I hope you like my video and excuse my face. Kaya gabi ko hagod din. So, stress. Kaya di may go sa akong luggage, akong van stuff. So, maybe bili na ako siya diri. So, marato. So, I hope you enjoy watching.
Or unboxing. Unboxing mo naman.
Okay, unboxing ni siya matawag guys. Unboxing, and we've already opened 4 mega boxes. And we're down to last 2. This is the 5th and the 6th one. And there's another one back there. That's a different story.
Updates.
Update guys, sinanin akong kahimit ang dari. So, pack with me. I don't know what time is it.
What do you think? Kinamastira niya luggage.
We actually started at around 5. And currently, it's 8:37. So, it's been 3 hours and a half. And, paminahuman! Pero nagkatunga na mi guys. So, carry lang.
Kinanglan, maigo siya aning luggage. Kani katanan. So, kaning na-address sa carton, kani is garbage na ni siya.
Pag-giveaway mo na namin
No?
yan.
Tapos,
To other people.
na siya.
Who needs it.
Yeah.
So guys, tamahuman. We're down to the last part. Kani silang tanan. Isulod ko na lang ni siya with this big luggage. It's 28 inches. Guys, pero grabe siya kadako. No? Nice to siya.